All right, let's clear out our Desmos and we're going to take a look at number 8. Number 8's tricky. It's got another different piece in it, so I think you'll appreciate me going over this one. Number 8 is negative x squared plus 10x minus 7. Negative x squared plus 10x minus 7. Let's find that. Y equals negative x squared plus 10x minus 7. I'm just double checking that. And the other one is not 0, it's 14. So we need y equals 14 for the next one. So it's not always 0. This one is y equals 14. That's our second function. Again, going over to the gear and changing this to the top one, in this case, mine. Oh, hold on, my face is in the way. Is red. So whatever yours is, just change it. You don't have to have the same color I do. I also need to zoom out a little bit because I couldn't fit it all. So I hit the zoom out, which is the minus sign, and here it is. This is the whole graph. So I'm going to poke on the important parts. What are the important parts? X-intercept. I'm just going to click on the dots to get them black. 0, negative 7 is our y-intercept. These are our points of intersection. These are important because they're not at 0, but we need them because we're looking at where these cross, okay? So these are our x-intercepts. That's part of what's on the paper. This is my y-intercept. These are my solution points, and this is my vertex. So that's kind of key. That's a little different. So let's go fill in our things. I'm probably going to switch back and forth a bunch of times, but that's whatever. Okay, x-intercepts. That's where it crosses the x-axis. So that's crucial stuff. Going back. All right. 0.757, comma 0, and 9.243. 0. All right, those are the x-intercepts. So when I put my dots down, I'm going to put them on here. Now, this is a tiny graph, but that's because we're dealing with 14. So we need a bigger graph. The y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis, and we know it crosses the y-axis at 0, comma c, which is at negative 7. Gosh, this is so messy. Sorry. Okay, so now we're looking for the vertex. Our vertex is at the very top. Again, this is a maximum. It's at 5, comma 18. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to plot. All right. Sorry, I'm just cleaning this up a little bit. It's a little messy. Ooh. Now it's going to be hard for me to do this on a small grid because I don't know if I can shrink my circles this small, but I'm going to give it a shot. It was hard for me to do the bigger ones. All right, let's try this. Can I get it? Oh, it's too small to move. All right, hold on. I gotta get it. Teensy bit. There we go. I'll just copy paste them this way, and then I'll shrink them. Paste. 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 Now this is for my x-intercepts, my y-intercept, and my vertex, but I actually have a couple more I need. If you take a look, we still need 314 and 714 because those are key important points because they're the points of intersection. So I need 314 and 714 as well. So I need 2 more dots. I'm just hitting this. Okay. So while I'm trying to do this, you can be plotting your points as well. I know that I need one here. Let me shrink you. There we go. I need one at 9. So here's 10. So let's go to 9. We'll shrink you down. There's one. All right. I'm not saying this is perfect by any stretch, but I'm doing my best here. Let's go to 7. Shrink it down. I wonder if that can get on 7. Yeah, well. I need one at 518. I need one at, this is what I didn't write down, so let me check one more time. 314 and 714. So 3, whoa, not it. Okay. Well, it is what it is. 7.
Come on, man.
All right. Well, that's as good as it's getting, I think. And now I just need to go ahead with my squiggle.
Come on.
And give it my best go here. Ooh, look at that. It's terrible. Desmos does much better than I do on this. For real, for real. All right, let's give me some thickness so I can read it. And then, of course, we need the second part. Let's go back to Desmos and the 14, which literally is a horizontal line through 14. So it's not too hard. I say that right. Here's 14. Oh, my dots. I missed my dots completely. I don't know if it'll let me do it now. Can I bring that? Oh, well, these blue dots, I don't know if it'll let me. Oh, here it is. Ooh, yay. These need to come up a little bit. I'm sorry, guys. This is so hard. It's one way. Goodness grief. Look at that. I gotta get this one now. Nope. Maybe I could just take this one. Anywho, it's supposed to be up here on 14. I'm sorry. Maybe I can make another one. This is embarrassing. And to be honest, I'm just too invested in it right now to redo it all. There we go. There we go. That's not too bad. All right, pretend that one's not there. Wish there was a, what do you call it? an eraser, a shape eraser. I don't think there is. All right, so it's here, right here, not this guy, here. All right, so last part is we're looking at the inequality, and the inequality says that we need a less than or equal to. This is less than. So less than is below the line. Where is the line? Let's make our line thicker. There it is. All right, I need everything below the line. So I'm going to scribble. Let's go red. Nope, I did that again. I did that last time too. That's so annoying. Sheesh. As you can see, I'm truly trying here. All right, below the line. It's all this. All this is below this blue line right here. And I am making this red. Yes, I am. Hey, there we go. And also below the line is over here at this guy. All this down here. All right, and I'm just going to make that red as well. And probably that. There we go, I guess. God, I'm losing this today. So anywho, this is this is the 2 pieces. So you see that there's 2 pieces, right? I don't like that part right there. Let me undo that. I don't like that. Let me try again. And there's a reason why I'm doing it again. I'm sorry. Let me see if I can do it. There we go. I don't want to mislead you or confuse you at all. But there's a reason why I redid that, and I'll show you right now. All right, this is nice and thick, right? Let's make this one nice and thick, and then we'll talk about it. There we go. Okay, so notice there are 2 separate pieces here. They are not connected at all. There's this piece that goes down to the left, and there's this piece that goes down to the right. And what that means is that we're going to have 2 separate solutions on our number line and 2 separate solutions on our for symbolically. All right, so what is this? Well, if you remember, let's go back to our Desmos. This is at 3, 14. This is all underneath the line. So from 3 and down, and from 7 and more. Okay, so 3 and down and 7 and more. That's what we're talking about. So this is really at 3. So this is all things that are less than or equal to 3. So we have to go, okay, scribble, move my head, scribble, I lost it. Here it is. All right, at 3. Now, is it open or closed? I don't know. What is it? Oh, it's closed. We gotta fill that in. Shape fill. Boom. Let's go red. Yep. And then we have to shade to the left because this is moving in the left direction. So this way. Shade to the left. Let's make it thick so you can see it. Let's make it red so it's uniform. There we go. And then, so this was at 3, and this one I believe was at 7. Yep, that's 7. So going back, insert. I bet you're glad you're using pen or pencil. It's a pain in the neck to do digitally. Red. Done. Squiggle. To the right. Thick. There it is. are two separate graphs, two separate pieces, both pieces underneath the line because it's a less than or equal to. Now, this is a closed circle. Equal to is closed. That's why these are closed circles. For solutions, for symbolically, there's two separate pieces, so you need two separate pieces. So the first one is less than or equal to 3. X is less than or equal to 3. And I think I figured out I can just use a symbol here. See if I can find it. Oh, less than or equal to 3 or X. And this one is greater than or equal to 7. And since it has two pieces, I'm shading two pieces. That means there's two pieces of our inequality. You have X is less than or equal to 3 or X is greater than or equal to 7. And there we go. There's no in between. Two separate pieces, two separate pieces, two separate pieces. The end. All right. So let's get rid of this one.